Oh, hi there. I'm Holly Courtwright with eXp Realty, and I'm here to unveil an absolute masterpiece right here in Vic West at the new Dockside Green development. Buckle up, because we're headed into a world where the views are breathtaking, the floor plan is more functional than your grandma's Corolla, and the amenities, you haven't seen anything like it since those unicorns went galloping down your street. Let's check it out. Behold the windows, the magical frames that turn ordinary views into extraordinary dreams. If you've ever wondered what it's like to live in the clouds, this corner unit penthouse is your golden ticket. Whether it's sunrise coffee or sunset cocktails, your eyeballs are in for a treat every single day. And now for the appliances, the unsung hero of our everyday lives. This upgraded appliance package will not disappoint. They perfectly accessorize your kitchen with strategic placement to ensure there is still plenty of counter space for prep and presentation. You have everything you need to enjoy a perfectly chilled glass of wine or an entire family feast. With a full package of Wolf and Sub-Zero kitchen appliances, these are the friends you never knew you needed. The dryer even has a patented no sock theft setting. Okay, that's a lie, but the appliances are pretty awesome. And now, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this functional floor plan. It's so intuitively designed that even Kramer could maneuver this floor plan with ease. With spaces that flow like a river, you'll never have to worry about stubbed toes or bumping elbows again. Separate bathrooms adjoin each bedroom, with the added bonus of a third bathroom for guests you don't invite to stay. This open living, dining, dancing space is large enough for your entire extended family to come and eat all your food and overstay their welcome. Prepare yourselves for the amenities package fit for royalty. We're talking about a fitness center that turns muscles into masterpieces, a lounge so posh it puts James Bond's secret lair to shame, and a fully equipped rooftop patio that everyone that visits wishes they bought the penthouse so they could have the space like that all to themselves. Steps to the Galloping Goose, you can leave your sweet four-wheel rides safely in their underground spots while you traverse the city on the heel-to-toe express or don your helmet and hit the trail on whatever two-wheeler that suits your fancy. A pet spa on site means that when Rover goes a-rollin', you can spiffy the little rascal up, not in your luxurious bathtub. So there you have it, folks. A corner unit penthouse with views that will make your heart skip a beat, a floor plan so smart it practically plans your parties for you, appliances that are your new best friends, and amenities that will make you feel like royalty. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Call me now and let's turn your dream home into a reality. And remember, if you're not living in a corner unit penthouse at Dockside Green, are you even living?